Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, by the title, you guys can see that I'm going to be reviewing my June glossy box. It is right here. It just arrived, so I got out of the shower and I figured since I looked inside, there's a bunch of skincare products, so I'm able to play with all these products on my bare face. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love doing my makeup right after I get out of the shower. I just feel really clean, and just like my makeup is going to be applied to a very clean canvas. Also, I do have like really dry skin when I get out of the shower. Like my skin right now really needs something to pick it. I need to pick me up, basically. If you guys have not heard of Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. If you guys do sign up, you guys sign up for the yearly subscription, you guys will only have to pay $18. But if you guys just want this month's box, it'll be $21. But from what I'm seeing on the website, this month, for the month of June, the box is already sold out. So you guys will, if you guys decide to subscribe, you guys will get a mystery box. You guys will not get the box that I'm going to share with you guys today. Also, I'll have a link down below so you guys can subscribe. You guys will get 22% off of your first purchase if you guys do sign up through my link down below. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into June's box. I'm going to share with you guys what I have in here. Let's get to it.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alright guys, so your box will look like this when it arrives in the mail, and then you open it up and it'll have another box. The glossy box for this month looks like this. Last month it was different. The first box that I received looked exactly like this, so I don't know if it just every now and then switches up, but I think this might be the original box. It's a very light pink. So once you open this up, the inside has like little floral, I don't know, is that floral? Oh, no, it's not floral. I don't know what kind of design that is, but it'll look something like this. It has a little ribbon and you open it up. Oh my god, I just got this shirt at Target, and I got it in a medium thinking like, I'm getting a little big, it might just fit, but it's just like falling. Like sometimes I'm like a medium, sometimes I'm a small. It's like so weird. This month's theme is Rodeo Beauty, and it looks like this here, the little tissue paper. I have my little pamphlet here, and it tells me all the products that are inside of this month's box. I'm having such a bad morning, okay, because there's a freaking fly. I don't know if you guys, it might make an appearance in this video, and I've been trying to get it out of my room. It's not working. I don't like filming in the day. That's all you need to know. I'm going to dive into this box, and I'm going to use them in the order that I would apply them to my face. So let's see what we have here first. So first here we have the Moly Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue, an indispensable addition to any skincare routine. These tissues from Korea provide an effective but gentle cleanse. Infused with 100 ppm peach extract, they help remove impurities while brightening and hydrating the skin. And these here retail for $7, and it has an 8 count of tissues. These cleansing wipes are great to help remove makeup, dirt, and oil, and even better on the go. Throw these into your gym bag, travel bag, or work bag for a gentle cleanse anytime you want. Okay, so there's 8 wipes in here for $7. So basically, I don't know about this. Like, I think this is a little bit too pricey, because you can get the Neutrogena wipes for like $10, and I think there's like a 50 count in there. So I don't know. I don't know about that. But I mean, it's cute packaging, but is the packaging really going to be what you're using on your face? With all honesty, by looking into this box, I am not impressed with this month. I think last month was a really, really good box. The first month was like, it was okay. And then this month, like, I think it was like a big letdown. Oh, these smell great. These smell like real peaches. Like, if you smell peaches, like the juice, I feel like I can visualize it right now. It smells really nice. But you're only going to use this once. Once I use this, I'm going to toss it. My face is already clean, but I kind of want to get an idea of how this is like, what this is like basically. It's a very soft tissue. It smells great, but I'm going to go through these like no other. So I don't think these are worth the price. But again, you get it in an $18 box if you do sign up for the yearly thing, or it's $21. So let's continue on into the box. The second item inside of my box is this here. This is the Vit C Energizing Sheet Mask by Rodeo Beauty. And it says, say hello to brighter looking skin with this instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask from the top of skincare brands in the UK, packed with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. Consider this a tremendous boost to your routine. And the tip for the use of this is SPF is always important, especially when using vitamin C. The skin can become more prone to sensitivity from the sun. And this here retails for $18. Oh, this is kind of like matte. Oh no, it doesn't. This is orange. Why does it look like my little head wrap? My head wrap is yellow, by the way. It almost looks like it though. Oh, this is cold. This mask is kind of like hard. Like, is there a second layer? I think there is. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay, so this comes, which side do I use though? Or was I supposed to keep these together? No, I'm gonna take that one off. I think it's the top one that I'm gonna use. Okay. My camera died, and I think I was talking about how the face mask was like really stiff. Like, you guys, look, it's not really sticking on. Like, I can push it down, but it'll come back. It's not like a soft kind of, you know why? You know why? Because the mask is on it. Like, there's 3 layers. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean right now. But there's 3 freaking layers. What is this? How was I supposed to know this? Like, yes, it says it on the paper, but it should say also there's 3 layers to this mask. Like, here we go. Something didn't feel right because this was really tough, okay? Like, just to put this on to your face as a mask. But then this part was behind it to hold this part together. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. I really thought that I read somewhere on their website that you receive full-size beauty products, but obviously, by what I'm going to share with you guys right now, they're deluxe size beauty products in the box, and yeah. It also says that the full-size product is available for purchase as advised by brand. Prices may vary due to the exchange rates. All prices are correct at time of print. Please check all ingredients, read instructions before using any of these products. It does kind of share with you guys the pricing of the full-size products. So the next item I'm going to be sharing with you guys is, let's see, what am I going to apply first? So this here is the Korres Greek Yogurt Nourishing Prebiotic Gel Cream. This is rich in collagen building protein. This Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. It's clinically proven microbiome friendly. Technology won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you an ultimate healthy glow. The tip for this is that you can use it daily in the morning and at night. After cleansing skin, will keep your skin hydrated, perfect for combating the summer heat. This deluxe size is $18 and the full size is $36. It's intense hydration, which is pretty good for me because I have dry skin, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. It's really small. You guys can see how small it is, but not as small as the next product I'm going to share with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off because it's definitely been over 15 minutes. So you're supposed to just apply this, the remaining product onto your skin. Now I'm going to go in with this moisturizer. My skin already feels really hydrated right now, but we are going to try these other products out. So going in here. It almost smells like Jolly Rancher. I definitely can't complain about hydration right now, and I can't judge this product based on how hydrating it is because I already felt hydrated with the facial mask. So I'm going to continue playing around with this just on its own without the mask, obviously, because I've already used the mask. And then we're going to move on to the next item. You guys, this next item is so freaking tiny. So this here is the Decorte Lipsome Serum. It's infusing skin with all-day hydration to help repair and protect. Decorte's Lipsome Serum is engineered to time-release layer by layer. It's biometric phosphophilic, I don't even know how to say that word, continuously hydrate skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. Okay, well, you got me at fine lines right there. Tip for usage says that the Japanese beauty is unique in its dedication to layering rituals and daily commitment. After cleansing, apply 2 to 3 pumps onto your face, which is probably going to be the whole bottle, to the neck and décolletage for ultimate and even hydration. And this little mini here retails for $22.50. And the full size retails for $50. I was actually looking on their website, and there's one that retails for over $100, and that's like the really big full size, I think. Let me look again. So the 2 fluid ounces actually retails for $125, so this is a high-end brand. I personally don't like buying high-end skincare stuff because it just takes a while for you to be able to see a difference in your skin if it's actually making a difference. So sometimes it's going to be like a hit or miss with that, and I'm not trying to spend my money on that. But we got a little sample size, which I guess you can get a feel for the brand. And if you like it, then you can go ahead and proceed with buying a high-end, full-size one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. Like I said, this is supposed to add hydration to your face, which, like I said already, why are people flying already? Why can't they keep themselves at home? How do you open this shit? It's already open. It looks closed. Okay, so I'm gonna put it just a little bit right there. This is supposed to help you with your wrinkles, so we're gonna go ahead and put it onto the forehead. Like, a lot of these products are supposed to add hydration to your face, and like for me to be able to make a video for you guys, it's hard for me to really tell you guys that it's working because I already felt hydrated with the first product. But make sure you guys follow me on my social media, especially on Instagram, because I'll probably be using a lot of these products on my skincare videos. Oh wow. Okay, so this serum actually is making my face feel really, like, you see that? It's sticking, like, it feels tacky, so I think it's going to be the perfect time to apply my face makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, wait. Can I do that? No, I can't. Okay, my skin's going to go through it, you guys. The next couple of items are these here. These are the High Beauty Hi-Fi Facial Moisturizer and Facial Oil, because we still need more moisturizing, you know? This is made in the USA. Melissa Joshim found benefits in cannabis sativa and have truly remarkable results for your skin, and these little numbers are no exception. Hydrating and giving intense repair, this moisturizer and oil combo is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Tip for usage says, save the intensive facial oil for nighttime, pour the drops into your hands, and warm the oil into the palms for a moment before pressing into your skin. The facial moisturizer, the full size, retails for $40, and the facial oil retails for $54. I think I'm going to be passing on applying this because it'll be too much for my skin. I personally do not like oils on my face. I feel like oils just really clog up your pores, and I'm working on clearing up my skin from acne, which my skin has definitely came a long way. My acne scars are starting to diminish, and I am not trying to put oils on my face right now. Like, that is something I'm not going to do. So just showing you guys that I did receive these, and I think for this box, like, the products that we received have a lot to do with hydrating. I think some of these products should have been pushed over to next month's box so that it's not all like, you know, like getting so much hydration onto your face. I didn't know Glossybox included deluxe size beauty products. I'm pretty let down right now. And yeah, we are gonna move on to the last item in my box. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. I can't even do like a makeup look for you guys because it just, most of this is skincare, so I'm gonna just show you guys what this last item is. This here is the Model Co Liquid Metal Eyeshadow from Australia. This velvety eyeshadow delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in weightless shine. The tip for usage, it says, want more vibrant color? Be sure to add shadow primer on before this eyeshadow. And this here retails for $19. This is actually a full-size beauty product, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I actually did swatch this yesterday, and I think it's a really pretty eyeshadow. It looks like this here. I'm gonna swatch it to the back of the hand so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. So there it is. Alright guys, and that completes this video. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up to Glossybox, you guys can get 22% off of your first box by using my discount code Tracey down below in my description box. I'll have it all linked down below. Oh, there's that fly. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up, fucking fly, I'm gonna get you. I appreciate you being here. I hope you guys are staying safe. Take care of each other, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.